Hold on now, mama, come on, hold on. Your face don't look good at bum. Oh, yeah, they spell bat when I rat up a spell.
I say question in my head. Boom, man.
Oh, I can't come out of the sun, man. Cause I not like how you like.
Man, so me fail by one. Single one. So me have to go come back and come do it. Because me fail by one. I have to go come back and do it. And so me have to go come back. Week after next week. Oh, we do it again. Week after next week. Wednesday the same time. Ta-da! Mash up the test.
Ta-da.
I mash up the test.
What is that now? What is that now?
He said do not open, bring it to the tax office and go get my learners. So if I pay no money, probably I don't get a tax office. See it there? With my name Pony.
So if I go and select your license get?
Then my learner's license me get, of course it's a license me get. Yeah, so you start from here, so.
Tell the people them how you
feel nice.
Tell the people them
me feel good in myself. Me feel nice and me feel wonderful calm. This morning when you they asked me say if me study, and I say study what? He said if me have a book. And I say which book? He said if me not buy a book, me say me never know if I buy a book and I don't know which part to purchase the book. Anyhow, I go inside with the grace of God in my pocket and I just tell Father God, say, yo, write the paper for me and just come in my brain. I don't know why I go give me some. I study some road code business and I say, nothing when I study for on the road code. I don't see none of them on the paper. You see me? More than one sign. I'm not too sure, but I feel I get that one the right still. So, I pass with flying colours when in carry back the paper come give me and just one wrong bang I see on it. And I just face your answer when I change over back, you know. Face your, I cross out one answer and change it back. Face your it me get wrong.
Alright,
that
so
I know nothing.
So you go to tax office now?
Yeah, I go to tax office now.
Alright, we are going to buy patty and something to eat first.
I not ready to eat.
Yeah?
I want something to drink, but I don't want to eat yet. If you want to eat...
If you don't want to eat, we go buy something to eat.
You can make you eat.
Alright? Yeah, that paper. So, go to the tax office and make you know what go on.
Through tax office line long, we just go get something to drink. And if you want to eat, you eat and I go in the line go deal with this. And then me eat after. So big up on myself, everybody who watch the vlog, you know, so see me on the road and zoop! And then we there now. Yeah, I prank. Me come out and prank him, you know. Me come out with my face long, to make it look like say me not get through. Couldn't hold it out again. Come out with my face long. Jesus Christ! Now we are pull out and now and go in town.
Yeah, see it there. KFC way up in a paper car. I'm party for eat in the early morning. I see bread. Mama said, we are barely full. And I'm going to buy a piece of KFC and go and marry myself in the early morning. That's a code.
That's a code.
Eh?
That's a code. Two piece spicy. You want one barbecue or just spicy? Just spicy, right?
What's she doing?
Man, hello, one, yo, watch,
Yeah.
yo, come in, man, come in.
Time early code up, man. Eh? Watch out. But, you tell me sweet right there. Don't have to take that.
Let me go back. Give me a key. So I'm going to the bathroom. Oh wow. Through the morning early. Oh, appears locked. Through the morning early, appears so empty. left me downstairs, I come to the bathroom, so I go back downstairs now. And next in the line. Got you in on a floor. Yeah. Here, Nick number call a while ago, and I'm here 207. Come on, film time, no?
Yo, where's your mother?
We're anyone, we're all right. Look there. Can't take me number, man. Yeah, I'm back here. We are with that pull up. Can't show the shit out of Yo. Better? I didn't want to look. I had to play that. I can't bother with it. Nah, man, the next one. Chocolate.
Chocolate.
Yeah, man, I'm a thing, man.
Yeah, for that. Never see that. Yeah.
Alright, see how we're.
Yeah, Mickey.
Yeah, look more.
Big up here, mama.
Yeah. Oh, the KFC just come. We'll consume some chicken and our fries. Sweet corn. Did you get the sweet corn, Nikki? Yeah. And I get it. Yeah. But anyhow, whichever I work still. Whichever way I work still. Right. This not bad. And me got the chickens. Yeah man, all is well. Me say me come back from tax office cause they consume me whole like chicken and a cow. Drinks drink off because it was wide open. Man asleep. From me see how in here look, me say food shell. I think got on the steering. I put on in her lap. Belly put on what you put in, put it on there. He put it on there. No see belly put on in her lap. So yeah, so I go to tax office and get through. Let me show you. So quick, like a one bird. So like a it.
Yeah, I'm going to
that. But one, yeah, anchovy I go. I say I couldn't fear bus, I must see police vehicle. Nikisha Birchell. Nikisha Birchell up there, sorry. Nikisha Birchell there. PNP office upstairs. Nikisha Birchell there. Anchorage police station. Show a new police station. See the person. New police station. A road this man. You have no road. No, I police bus. Do your service is supposed every minute. You're not paying no sound funny road, man. Funny road. You have made it to the end of the video. Well, if you reached this far, thanks for watching.